What are polar coordinates? A pair of coordinates locating the position of a point on a plane, the first being the length of the straight line r connecting the point to the origin, and the second the angle theta made by this line with a fixed line. Graphing polar curves. These are some examples of some of the polar curves. As you can see, these graphs are not only based on the x and y axis, but also on the radian measures. These sliders can control the number and put it into the r and control the shape of the equation. Although these equations are graphed based on radians, they are still plotted in terms of an x and y coordinate. These coordinates are defined by relating the following equations. R squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So to find x or to find y, you can equal them respectively. X is equal to r times cosine theta, and y is equal to r times sine theta. Finding the area between polar curves. To find the area of the inside loop of this shape, you would take the integral from 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi over 3 using the following equation. A is equal to the integral from a to b of 1/2 times r squared d theta. You would get a is equal to the integral from 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi over 3 of 1/2 times the equation, which is 2 plus 4 cosine theta, all squared, d theta. This turns out to equal 2.174, which is the area of the inside loop. To find the area between these two curves, you would use the equation a is equal to the integral from a to b of 1/2 times, in parentheses, r2 squared minus r1 squared d theta. You would take the integral from 7 pi over 6 to 11 pi over 6, including the equation. But rather than squaring the whole thing, you would square each r individually. As a result, you would get 2.196.